Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we gonna be right back. I'm back. Before we begin, if you like this unit that I'm wearing, make sure you guys check out my review from last week. I did post it so you can get all the details on this super cute unit. So today I am doing, I want to say, it's not necessarily my first unboxing video because I do clothing hauls on this video and tutorials and things like that. So I am doing a review on the illustrious Brandon Blackwood. A little fun fact on how I even got my hands on this unit, because between him and Telfar, their bags sell out like that. Okay, first off, I wasn't really familiar with Brandon Blackwood. I'm ashamed to say that. Yes, I knew the Telfar brand, and I wasn't following either one of them. And it was this year, I want to say in about maybe January, February-ish, I saw that Telfar, they had like a sponsored video and it popped up on my Instagram feed, and it was like a secure your bag type of thing. And so I was like, let me see what's up with them. They're black owned, you know, I wanted to support. So I went on there the day of, and I went and purchased my bag, and I bought a cute little black bag that still is not in yet. It's a pre-order, so you guys have to be patient. It's pre-order. So I told one of my close friends, and I was like, hey sis, I don't know if you're familiar with Telfar, but they're having like this like pre-order. And she was like, say no more. She didn't even listen to my whole message. She went on there and bought her bag. So we were both chatting about it, and she was just like, oh my god, thank you so much, I didn't know, blah blah blah. Like, of course sis, I got you. And I had found out that Brandon Blackwood was another purse designer as well, and I was like, oh, let me check him out. So I think he had just released the ESR totes around that time too, and I was like, I'm gonna wait till next time. So he was saying that he was going to drop his spring collection, and he was doing a pre-order as well. So I'm like, okay, me and my friend were talking about it, and we're like, oh, we have to get these bags. He finally released a collection. I'm like, those totes are so cute. Well, not the totes, the Kendricks are so cute. And yeah, I mean, I was like, oh, his bags are affordable because the ESR totes are $80. So when I went on to purchase the day of, I want to say it was like May 2nd or something. I don't know, it was May something. I purchased my Brandon Blackwood bag, and it was $150. I was a little upset because I'm like, the price point jumped from 80 to 150. And I was like, you know what? I want this bag. So I had originally seen a light blue jean bag, and I wanted that bag so bad. And I don't even know if he even released it, because he had a light one and a dark one, and I didn't see the light one at all. So I was a little upset about that, but I was like, I'm gonna go with the blue jean. My friend who lives in Pittsburgh, I'm in New Jersey, she got her bag before me, and I'm like, bruh, I ordered mine first. And so I reached out to him. You know, his team was really nice, like, what's, you know, because they gave you a timeline, and mine came after the timeline, and they were really nice and professional. So I'm like, you know what, it's cool, like, I'm gonna get it. I don't feel like I got robbed, so it's okay. But yes, my bag finally came in like right before I left to go back home to Pittsburgh, and we were so excited because we look so cute. Check us out. We look so fire, you guys. Also, random, if you don't know, I also have a podcast. It's called the Black Women's Perspective Podcast with this girl. So the link is listed below. Make sure you check it out. But yeah, I mean, like, I was just so happy about this bag. You know, some people are like into shoes. Some people are into wigs. Like, I'm a purse girl. I love purses, and I will spend money on a purse, okay? It came with this cute card, and it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new nice." I don't know if this says juice or nice. Like, I literally cannot tell. I'm gonna just say it says juice. Enjoy your new juice. And can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon Blackwood. So yes, I don't know what that word was. I swear it looks like juice and nice. But I did post it, and he did repost it, and then my husband had posted it too, because he has a picture of me and him in my bag, and he reposted it. I'm gonna show you guys. But oh my goodness, this bag. So it does come in like a little dust bag that says Brandon Blackwood, and I appreciate this because I do put my purses in dust bags. I'm a Coach girl. I used to work at Coach, so I know a lot about leathers and things like that, and I love a nice dust bag. And it comes in this super cute box. It did have tissue paper over it, but since I wore it, I did take it out, and this is what it looks like. So cute. And I love the gold hardware. I know he's like not a super huge fan of gold. He was doing silver, and people were like, you know, complaining in the comments, can you do gold? Can you do gold? It does come with a crossbody strap, and you can adjust it as well. So yes, it is nice and long. I did wear it as a crossbody, and you know, and you can adjust it. But I was so happy with this purchase. Oh my God. So my Telfar bag still is not here yet. They did start distributing them, I guess, ahead of schedule, which was nice. And also my friend from Pittsburgh got her bag before me, and the bags are coming from New Jersey, bruh. Where's my bag? Where is my bag? I'm just like, how is she getting her bags before me? And so here's the side of the bag. It does have like, I don't know, some material right here. But I just love this trunk. If you guys can see the inside. So your phone can fit in here. Keep in mind that the smaller Kendricks, they do not fit phones. My glasses can fit in here. My glasses case can fit in here. Oh, up, actually. Let's see, okay. I took the strap out and it can fit. So yes. It's a little heavy, but it does have pegs on the bottom as well. So if you put it on the table, you know, it's not getting dirty. So I really thought this was a super cute thing to add to the bag. And it was thoughtful, you know. Like, you can tell he put a lot of thought into these bags when he made them. So I am happy about my purchase. This bag, I wish I bought more, but I'm sorry, 150 was a little steep for me at that moment. They did offer like Klarna and Afterpay. I used Afterpay for this because I don't want my husband being mad at me for wilding out, because I definitely just bought my Telfar bag too. But I do think for this size, it is worth it. They do have the mini Kendricks, which are smaller than this, and apparently you can't fit an iPhone Plus in there. I have the regular 8. Don't judge me. I have the 8, but I know if you have like the Plus, the 11 Plus, I heard it didn't fit in the mini Kendricks. This is a standard size Kendrick, but the ones that are smaller than this, and they're more expensive. I know someone bought theirs for like 160, and I was like, it just don't make sense. This is 150. Why would I spend 160 on something smaller? So I am satisfied with my purchase, okay? One thing I will say is that you guys have to be patient with them because he's a newer brand and he's like popping and things like that. you know, like he doesn't have a super huge team like these bigger companies, so you guys will have to be patient with them. But he is dropping a fall collection as well, and I'm hyped for that because I think I'm gonna get myself 2 bags. I told my husband I wanted a bag for my birthday, and I'm gonna buy my own bag too. So yes, these bags are so cute. Like, I love them. I just don't even know what color I will want, so we're gonna see. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this super quick, easy unboxing video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.